believe this. Valorant Mobile is finally here, running natively on Android and iOS. That's right, no PC, no cloud gaming, and no emulator tricks. This is the real deal, the official Valorant Mobile. In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to download, set it up, and start playing. So if you're hyped, smash that like button, subscribe, and turn on all notifications. Let's dive in. Valorant Mobile is officially published by Tencent Games and developed under Riot Games. Right now, it's only available in China for early beta testing, and the entire game is in Chinese. But the good news is that you can play it from anywhere in the world with just a few simple steps. Before downloading, let's quickly go over the system requirements. For Android, you'll need a Snapdragon 845 or higher with at least 6 GB of RAM and Android 10 or above. For iOS, the game requires an iPhone X or newer running iOS 13 or later. You'll also need around 10 GB of free storage space since the full game is quite large, and a stable internet connection of at least 10 megabits per second with a VPN is required to access the servers. Also need a WeChat or QQ account for authentication. If your device meets these requirements, you're good to go. The first step is to download Valorant Mobile from the official Riot Games website. Just open any browser and search for Valorant Mobile. Finding the download link can be a little tricky, as the site is in Chinese, but you can use a translator to navigate the page and locate the correct option. The initial download is about 1.8 gigabytes, so make sure you have enough storage available. Once the file is downloaded, tap to install it. You might see the app marked as unsafe, and Google Play Protect may block the installation. No need to worry, it's a safe app, so just ignore the warning and continue with the installation. Allow the required permissions, and you're ready to continue. When you launch the game for the first time, you'll see the Tencent Games and Riot Games intro, followed by a prompt to download additional assets. This requires another 3.6 gigabytes, bringing the total storage to nearly 10 gigabytes. Be patient during this process, as it may take some time depending on your connection speed. While downloading the system files, do not quit or minimize the window. I have fast-forwarded the video 100 times. Since this is a Chinese beta, the servers are region-locked, which means you'll need to use a VPN. Fortunately, I am from Bangladesh, and I did not need any VPN or bypass. A few users said they required it. Simply download any reliable VPN from the Play Store or App Store and connect to a Hong Kong server. Without a VPN, the game won't let you log in or connect to the servers, so this step is very important. Once the VPN is set, open the game again, and you'll be asked to log in. There are two options, WeChat and QQ. To proceed, you'll need to create an account with one of these platforms. In most cases, it requires a Chinese phone number, though some users in other regions have managed to register with their local number. To open a WeChat account, simply download the WeChat app from the Google Play Store or App Store and open it. Tap on Sign Up, then choose to register using your mobile number, recommended. Enter your name, region, phone number, and create a password, then agree to the terms and conditions. WeChat may also require friend verification, where an existing WeChat user helps confirm your registration. So, if you already have WeChat, let's support each other and help build a strong community together. After setting up your account and logging in, now it will ask you to create an account with a username. One good news is that all pre-alpha testers will get exclusive in-game rewards and early access benefits. After that, you have to close the layout using either 2 fingers or multiple fingers. Then, you will need to go through the training and introduction tutorials, which can be really annoying. If you feel confused by the Chinese language, even simple things like navigating menus or understanding agent abilities can feel impossible. Fortunately, there's a fix, an app called Translate on Screen. Just download the app and allow notifications and other permissions. Select the language Chinese to English. Enable the display over other apps option for this app. Then click the button, and a floating button will appear. Now open and launch Valorant Mobile. Just click on the floating button, and it will translate the Chinese text to English. The game will load completely and take you straight to the main menu. Everything inside the game is in Chinese, but the interface looks almost identical to the PC version, so navigating is fairly simple. Just tap the red buttons to begin matchmaking and jump into your first game. Your ping and performance will depend heavily on your VPN and location. Players in Asia will likely enjoy smoother gameplay, while players in the US or Europe may face higher ping. Now let's talk about the real gameplay experience. This is native Valorant on mobile, not a simulator or a cloud-streamed version. You get the same maps, agents, abilities, and tactical shooter feel that you're used to on PC. The graphics and controls are surprisingly good for mobile, and if you've already played Valorant on PC, the experience will feel very familiar. So that's how you can install and play Valorant Mobile right now on Android and iOS. No PC, no cloud gaming, and no emulator. Just the official Valorant experience running directly on your phone. Drop a comment below and let me know if you've managed to try it out. And of course, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the bell so you never miss the latest gaming updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.